सो हे गाइस, नमस्ते, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल स्टाइलबायसुस। इट्स मी सुष्मिता। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं करने वाली हूँ दीपिका पादुकोण कांस इंस्पायर्ड मेकअप लुक। सो विदाउट फर्दर ड्यू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
And hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good. We're loving and hating and making scenes. Now we just see everything we believe. We just see everything. We just see everything we believe. We just see everything we believe. We just see everything. Hollywood, fake loving and hating on silver screens, believing everything we come to see. Go outside, it feels so good. We're loving and hating and making scenes. Now we just see everything we believe.